Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. So in this video we're going to make news website. So hope so you can see this is the beautiful pictures we have. Also we have the beautiful website we have. So now we're going to show how we can make a website like this one, and this website is really absolutely free. So also you will get a domain and hosting, the cheapest plan as compared to any other hosting plan. Also you can create such a beautiful website for your blog and your news website. So let's start how we can make this website. Okay, so you can check first of all what are the categories we have. I'm going to show you. First of all, look, we have the menu, and inside the menu we have the topic interested, and we have also we can integrate the video, and here we have like a multiple categories. Like suppose these are categories, inside the categories we have the more categories also is there: technology, health, entertainment. So suppose I'm going to click on the politics sector. So here you can check the all politics news are here only. Okay, and here we have the sidebars. This such a beautiful website is really amazing. Now just click on the culture. So now you can check the culture. We have the business, we have opinions, we have a travel. So different kind of categories is here, so you can select whatever you want. So also we counting in footer sections. Culture we have a 3 post, politics we have a 5, opinion we have a 3, travel we have a 3. So these kind of also we have the tag. These are the categories. Inside the tag also, like we can also give the particular name of the tag. So you can check such a beautiful website. Once you clicked on the read more something sections, you can read about the all blog related to this video. Also you can write your comment below. Okay, so how you can make such a beautiful website. Also if you need some customization part, how you can create from your site. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go as a domainracer.com. Inside of the domain racer, if you don't have domain, just go here, click on the domain section, and suppose if you want to buy something, so I'm going to write the name as a news agency India. So whatever you want, you name something, depends on your choice. Of course you can write here, but I want in INR, not a USD. Basically this is Indian currency, so I selected the INR something. Whatever currency you want, you can select from your side, don't worry about it. So now I have selected here news business India. I'm going to click on add a card. Okay, so look, we have the view card 1. Now I'm going to click on the because I need hosting also. So depends on the hosting plan, whatever you want you can buy from your side. Here we have the basic plan. Inside of basic plan you can put the one website only, and here some storage is limitation, so you can post up to 1024 MB in shared hosting. Also here they are using basically as a SSD, so your SSD is really a fantastic performance as compared to any other website. Okay, so you can also check we have the 3 FTP connection, 5 GB bandwidth, 5 gigawatt something, bandwidth something. So depends on your choice. If you want to buy this one, you can buy, but I'm going to select this one. This is a personal website, so I'm going to put this one, order now. Okay, so now we have the 2 things for the domain and hosting. Okay, let me go inside of the payment section. Also here you can customize the DNS record, also ID protection. So because of spam something, you will not receive unnecessary mails. So this why we can select these things. So this is also free. Now you can check we have the order summary. Inside the order summary, what we have, you can check the click on the checkout button, and then you need to pay only 2028 rupees something. Just put your details here, like your personal information, like first name, last name, email, phone number. So whatever you want, you put your website, inside of this website. Now also the billing address you need to update here. Okay, so after that you need to submit the complete the order. After payment, what you can do, you need to go in the login section. I'm going to show here, let me show, because I'm not creating, because I have already access. So this is the main reason I'm not going to create anything. So just click on the login, then you need to put your email ID, password. So and then after that you need to click on the services and click on the active, and once you clicked on the active, you need to click on the login to cPanel. So yes, once you clicked on the login to cPanel, just wait a few minutes something. Yes, now we are inside of the this section. Let me scroll down below and click on the WordPress script here. Okay, once you clicked on, we have already, I mean, you have already seen the siddharth.webhosting.racing, but what you need to do right now, just remove this, because I am going to show you as a fresh something, so no worry, don't worry about it. Yeah, so I just remove the all things from, I'm going to put from scratch. Okay, just click on the install now, and I'm going to put in the root directory, and whatever email ID and password you want, you can make. So I'm going to hide my ID and password something, so you cannot access it, because also I will remove after some time. So yeah, and let me put the my email ID basically here, which is Siddharth at the rate, I mean Shukla089 @gmail.com. Yes, and if you want to select something theme from starting, of course you can manage, but I don't want right now. Just click on install now. So this process little bit take approximately minimum 20 seconds something. So yeah, now successfully installed. Then click on the website home page and also click on the admin page. So now website looks like this, but after some time, if after 5 minutes, you can't imagine how your website looks like. Yeah, I'm going to click on the theme and just click on add new. Once you clicked on add new, just scroll down smoothly, yeah, just below, and we're going to select one theme. Just name is viral mug. I'm going to click on install button. Categories you want, of course you can create same things. Also you want to tag something, so also you can create. So depends on the tag and categories, you can update your post. So depends on the categories, the data will automatically go inside of this category or tag something. So don't worry about it, this is really easy. And also if you're facing such kind of any problem, definitely I will try to help you. Just put your comment below here. Now after the click on the active button, we going to import the data. So here you can check, we have the options install demo import plugin. So I am going to click this button. So this is taking little bit time, so don't worry, this is also installing an activity, both activity the same time. So what we need to do now, so just click on this, I mean exactly whatever. If you want to pay it something, so of course you can buy the premium thing, but we don't want to pay anything right now. So I am going to select the free one, this one basically. Okay, so here you can check required plugin is not installed. Okay, also Elementor is not installed, has theme is not installed. So what we need to do, reset website, check box if the box if you are there, reset the website. Of course we want to reset a website, then also we want to import the data. So now you can check here demo import progress. So these are installing the whatever plugins are required. After successfully activated those plugins, then we need to import the data exactly whatever you want in the website as a demo purpose, like images, post and categories and subcategories, logo, whatever the data is required. Yes, finally is done. So I am going to home page, view your website. So how your website looks like. Yeah, finally successfully everything installed. So what we going to the customization part. So if you want to change a logo, menu and header part something, as well as footer part, okay, and UI part also, if you want to change something, so what you need to do, just click on the customize part here after logging the admin panel. Once you clicked on the customize section, then you can easily manage your website as a compared to any other CMS. So also one you can check here, if you want to pro version, of course you can buy from there, you need to update. So now let me scroll down, scroll up here, wait for a few seconds because this is loading, might be my internet issue. Let me change my internet connections. Yeah, already connected with the 5G. I have no idea why this is slow. Okay, so let me click on this button. So here you can change, suppose we have the blog section, okay, hide site title. Once you click the hide site title, of course you can hide, okay, like this one. And we have the tagline also. So tagline, if you want to show something tagline, so you can also show the tagline. Okay, so here you can change the, we have the logo, and if you want to change logo, just click on the change logo. And any other sections, anything else you want, of course you can change from there. So here we have options. Okay, now once you click done, you want to change some menu sections, how you can change. We have already selected the main menu. I will show you how you can change the menu also. Okay, top menu, these are the sections basically, and the primary menu, you want to make this one, of course you need to click here, so it will become automatically as a primary. So we have right now in menu sections like a home, politics, culture, business, opinions, travels and sports, and many more. Okay, so once you clicked on this button, just scroll down and here, and also if you want to change something in color sections, already we have the setting part. So like this one, content link, if you want to change something, of course here you can change whatever you want. Okay, so some links if you want to change, of course here easily you can manage. And these are the primary color set basically for the website. Let's check how this is going to manage. Yeah, because it's changing entire website color might be, so this is taking little bit time. Yeah, so this way you can change the primary theme color. Okay, and let me scroll down here, and we have the menu sections already. I shown you, look, we have the Elementor basically here, home, politics, culture. So if you want to change inside the menu, you need to drag and drop something. So this way you can hierarchy, you maintain the menu. Okay, suppose menu, I mean category, subcategory, so these kind of things you want to make hierarchy, so you can easily manage in WordPress. So let me scroll down again here, and suppose you want to change here at the footer part. Of course this is a really amazing things, you can easily manage your website just clicking on the just clicking and update things. This is really amazing. Here we have the categories, and we have the tag, and we have contact information. If you want to change something contact information, just click on the edit button, and here you can easily update your contact section also, as well as email ID, number, phone, address. So whatever you want, you can change easily. Okay, so this way you can control your website. And also if you need anything else related to this video or any other videos, and anything you want to like technology, you want to learn something in Laravel, Coordinator, Django, Node.js, Angular, anything you want to learn from my side, definitely I can make a separate video for you. Thank you for watching this video.